Okay, here in part 2, I'm just going to briefly show you how I have been doing the calibrations. Now, I have tried doing these calibrations in different orders and in different physical locations, but none of those things have made any difference at all when it comes to the shaking that we saw in part 1. So I will go ahead and start the quad up, and the first thing we'll do is calibrate the compass. I'm going to wait until we get a complete GPS lock, because I noticed in the video that WLToys put out, they did not start the compass calibration until they had double green light. So hopefully it won't take us but a moment to get that. There we go. Okay, so I don't know if we can see this or not. Go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the transit down. You'll have a green light. Come back to the radio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Our green light. And one more time of the radio to save those settings. And there we go. We'll go ahead and start the quad. And from back here, I don't think the camera will pick it up, but it is just shaking wildly. So I will go, in fact, let me move the camera up there. I don't know, once again, if you, how well we can see this. Okay. I will go ahead and kill the motors. And this time we are going to set the hovering config. We'll do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. Flashing green light. There we go. Start the motors again. Now we're getting some strange behavior. Again, when that GPS lock is not there, none of this happens. Also, now I can press my throttle down. Everything smooths out for about 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and then it begins again. I'll kill the motors. Okay. Now, we're going to set the center position on the sticks. Let me turn everything off. Now then, let's see if we get this in the frame. Whoops, hold on. Before we do that, okay, back with you now. Sorry about that. Alright, here we go. Hold my trim button up here, turn the unit on. Okay, now down, left, right, down. And that should be it. We will go ahead at this time and plug the quad back in. Once we have once we have a sync, I'm going to start the motors. It's nice and smooth. We're going to wait on the GPS to kick in here. Should not take too long. There it goes. Okay. I'll go ahead and shut the motors back down. This time I'm going to trim out the transmitter levers. So we go get this in the frame again here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, start the motors. Once again, no difference. I can go ahead and pull the stick down on the radio, mellows things out for a couple seconds, and it begins again. So that ends part 2.